If you'd like to see how I made my Love Glow body butter collection, keep on watching. First, I start off with my shea butter, which is renowned for its rich and moisturizing properties. And then next, I'm going to add my Sharia butter, or Sao butter, which is it right here. It is known for its luxurious texture and skin nourishing benefits. I added my butters, and now we're going to sit here and enjoy the melt. After it's all melted down, I add it to my mixing bowl, and then I let it sit there and get to room temperature for maybe about 30 minutes. So after everything is cooled down, I add all my carrier oils, which is jojoba oil, apricot oil, and vitamin E oil, which all of these oils are nourishing to the skin. After I have popped it in the freezer for another 30 minutes, I add it into my mixing bowl. You just gotta make sure that it's soft enough for the mixer to mix. Next, I'm adding my arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is to help with the greasiness of the body butter. I add it in little by little and gradually mix it until it is through, and then after I add the rest, I add it to my mixing bowl so I know that the mixing bowl will mix it evenly between the batch. Now it is at the consistency that I like. I love this consistency. I don't need to mix it anymore. And here's the final product. I do have three: Adore Me, which is brownie scented, Love Potion, which is red velvet scented, and Puck Up, which is strawberry scented. These body butters will be released January 24th at 11 a.m. EST. So if you would like to see more, join my email list. Don't be shy, it's a blast over there. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.